Oh, I need to cover my underarm as of now. Because parang may uling. So, nag-cover ako ng underarm ko kasi sleeveless. No, ano ba yun? Oh, to my sister. Hi, Manang. Happy birthday. I love you, miss you, Manang.
Happy birthday, Manang.
No, Manang Jocelyn. I love you guys. I miss you guys, ha? Hindi. Cebu. Okay. Going to Chinese buffet na mi. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, look at it. May pimple siya pero nilagyan niya ng star.
It's a pimple patch.
Pimple patch. Cute.